Baba. What is it, beta? Baba, I've been having a lot of difficulties lately. My hair is falling and my skin is becoming very harsh and dry. I'm getting a lot of hair fall, Baba. Help me out. Please. 1 minute. I'm gonna give you something that is gonna help you. Apply this to your hair and your skin. You're gonna get great hair growth. So in this video, I'm gonna talk something really interesting and I'm gonna give you a tip of how to protect your skin and hair with just 40 rupees to spend. Hey guys, what's up? Your boy again, Syed Zain, Rubaru Mr. India 2019, bringing you the latest episode of health and lifestyle. So as I said earlier, before we jump in, I would request you to please hit that subscribe and notification button if you're new to the channel, which will help me grow and make more videos for all of you guys. So if you're feeling generous, hit the like button as well. I'll really appreciate it. So the secret tablet is Evion. So Evion is actually a tablet that I have been personally using from over 3 to 4 years, and the major benefit of this tablet is it's very inexpensive and it will be found in any medical store near you. You can just go get it, guys. You'll get a sheet of 10 tablets in that, and I'll later on in the video I'll show you how to use it. Alright, before we go too further, I want to tell you what is Evion. So Evion actually contains vitamin E that is used in dermatology to protect your skin, to protect your hair, and to protect your hair from hair scalp from getting dry. And the other benefit is it will also protect your skin from aging. So this is what we need, right? We don't want our skin to get old or catch wrinkles and all of that. So this tablet is one of the magic pills that has helped me over the years to keep my skin very nice and also my hair really good, right? So it's just about 40 to 50 rupees. You can afford it, and trust me guys, this will help you a lot. So let's talk a little bit about science. Does science support this? Of course it does. So I've done a bit of research on this for you guys, ensuring that you guys use it in the right form and you get the right knowledge before you use it, guys. So there are a lot of gurus who are giving you a knowledge without doing any scientific research. So I'm gonna put down some of the articles that I've researched from in the description so that you can read it and you also get an idea as to what really the benefit is from vitamin E, right? So as per the research, there have been multiple studies that has been done, which you can see somewhere over here, that it has helped the skin from aging, and it also helped the blood supply on your hair. So it has increased the blood supply on your hair, making sure your hair follicles have a rapid growth and the hair follicles don't just fall off, right? So there are multiple studies backing this off, and I'll also, as I said earlier, I'm gonna put that into description so that you guys can read it for yourself. The procedure is very simple. As you can see on the screen, the tablet kind of is coated with the rubber on the top and has gel within it, and I usually use it to replace my creams or gels to apply it on your hair. The best thing about this is you can actually use it as a gel, so that you don't have to use any of the gels or creams to set your hair. The best thing is it's very thick in texture, and it will also set your hair at the same time. So keeping that aside, as you can see on the screen, you just have to apply it on your palm and gently spread it across so that you get a good texture, and then slowly massage it on your scalp, right? Make sure that the gel hits your scalp and you're gently massaging it, and after you massage it, you have to keep it for about 30 to 40 minutes so that it stays on your scalp and the work will be done better, right? And this way your hair will become more stronger over the time, and you're actually giving your hair the life it needs, guys. So on the same note, you can also apply it on your face, which I've also shown, and you can keep it for like 30 or 20 to 30 minutes, and then go wash your face with any of your face creams. I don't want to promote about face creams because this video is purely about vitamin E and Evian, right? So that's about it for this, guys. The tutorial is pretty simple. Please do use this and let me know in the comments section how you guys are feeling about it, right? And after 3 to 4 months of consistent usage, trust me, you will have a reduced hair fall and your skin will become really smooth and you'll have a transformed skin. Believe me on that, guys. Trust me and try to do it and let me know how it works, and I'll love to hear from you guys. And yeah, that's about it for now. I don't want to make this video too long. Well, if you've liked the video so far, gently hit the like and subscribe button without forgetting to hit the notification bell. Alright, so this is your boy Syed Zain signing off from the video. I'm gonna come back with a new health and lifestyle video for you guys next week. Stay tuned.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.